Dear partner, welcome to PickPort. I'll be showing how to download and sign up PickPort Driver Partner app. Download the Driver Partner app from the Play Store. Once it is downloaded, click on Open. It will be asking to send a notification. Click on Allow and click on While using this app. Choose your language. I am choosing English and click on Continue. If you are a new driver partner, click on Sign Up. Once you click on Sign Up, you need to enter your mobile number. Once you entered mobile number, click on Verify. This will send a one-time notification to your mobile number. Click on Enter to verify. Once entered the OTP, click on Verify. So here it will ask you to fill all the required details like a name, email ID, date of birth, emergency contact name, emergency contact number, address, your state, your city, and vehicle type, and password you need to enter, then confirm password. Then you need to check I agree to all terms and condition privacy policy. I'm entering right away. Once you entered all the detail, click on next. Here it will ask you to upload all the required documents like vehicle number, your profile photo, PAN card front photo, driving license front and back photo, vehicle image and Aadhaar card front and back photo, RC front and back photo, and your vehicle insurance copy, then pollution emission, that is an optional. I am entering the and detail and uploading the required document right away. I have uploaded all the required documents. Once uploaded, click on next. So here please enter your bank detail like bank name mentioned in the bank, account number, IFSC code, upload passbook or cancel checkbook. After entering bank detail, click on next. So you need to watch all the training videos. Once you watch the training video, click on submit. Once application submitted, the verification process will take up to 24 to 48 hours. So we will notify you once the application is approved. Thank you.